guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be making an Easter wreath using the Dollar Tree egg wreath form, some spring floral picks, some ribbon with wire. You're also going to need some foam, and then I picked up this "For God So Loved the World" sign at Walmart. And then I picked up some of the long greenery that hangs down at Family Dollar Tree store for $1. And that's it right now to get started. You might want to put on your hot glue finger guards for this part. I am going to flip the egg wreath form over to the back side and hot glue the ribbon on. Just be very careful when you use your hot glue. Let it have time to dry before you start wrapping your Easter egg wreath with your ribbon. Just take your time, try not to overlap your ribbon too much, and get it nice and smooth all the way around. And at the bottom, I did save a space to attach the foam. I made this Easter wreath 2 different ways, and you'll see what I'm talking about in just a little bit. So you'll have to let me know if you like it better with just the flowers on the left side at the bottom, or if you like it with flowers on the left and the right. And so here I am just finishing up wrapping the wreath with ribbon, and I left the bottom open. And now we're going to be adding some foam from Dollar Tree to the bottom, and I'm just placing the sign on the right, and then I trimmed my foam a little bit smaller and I hot glued it on. Then I took some twine and just tied it on to make sure that I put a strip of ribbon on the back just to make sure my foam stays in place. Make sure you're very careful when you use your hot glue and let it all have time to dry. So here's how it looks with my foam and my twine. Not too pretty, but that's okay. We'll cover it with flowers. So we're just going to make a bouquet first. So I'm putting the taller picks in the back and the shorter picks in the front, then going to zip tie them together. And this is the first way, and then I'll do it a second way. You'll see in just a little bit, and you'll have to let me know which way you like the best. Then I'm just taking a cable tie mount or zip tie mount, hot gluing it on to the back of the sign, and now I'm going to tie a double bow for the wreath. Here I am taking a piece of 20 gauge floral wire, threading it underneath the zip tie on the back of the bow, and that makes it where I can easily attach my bow to my wreath. So I'm zip tying my spring bouquet onto the egg wreath on the right side. So it's just real simple, just zip tie your bouquet on. Then to attach my sign, I'm just threading a piece of floral wire through the cable tie mount on the back, giving it a twist. Now I'm going to go with the sign just below the bouquet, kind of at an angle. Take those wires, wrap it around the egg wreath form, give those wires a few twists, then cut them off short and fold them down. So here's how it looks so far, and you'll want to fluff and shape your flowers. Then I'm adding my bow just below the sign, kind of at an angle. I am just taking the bow wires, threading them through the Easter egg wreath because there's not any ribbon right there. Then I'm going to go to the back, give those wires a few twists, cut them off short, and fold them down. So here's how it looks so far. I forgot to mention in the beginning that you could cover your foam with some moss if you would like. That way you don't have to worry about your foam showing. First, I'm starting out with my greenery picks that I picked up at the Family Dollar Tree store for $1. They're just long greenery picks, and I'm just cutting them into shorter pieces. And you could take a little bit of hot glue and put on the end of each pick before you push it into the foam if you want to. That way it'll stay in and be a little bit more secure. And then here I'm taking some pretty orange flowers that I picked up at Hobby Lobby and cutting them a little shorter too. But I'm just kind of filling in around the outer edge first with the greenery that was only $1. I did add 4 total of these greenery picks that were $1 each from Family Dollar Tree to this wreath, and it has quite a bit of greenery, so if you don't like as much greenery or you don't like yours longer, of course you can cut it shorter, but I'm just giving you some ideas. After I add my greenery, then I'm going to go in with some of the pretty orange flowers and also some tulips, some yellow tulips, and then a pick that I picked up at Walmart for spring. So here's how it looks so far. I just love this Bible verse, for God so loved the world, and I think the wreath turned out really pretty, but I wasn't really happy with it having so much weight just on the left side, and so I decided to rearrange it, and so I removed the spring bouquet on the right side above this sign, and I think I like it better. So you'll have to let me know if you like it this way better or if you like it without the flowers on the right. Here it is without the spring bouquet on the right, and I took away some of the greenery that was hanging down, and I really think I like it better this way, and I added a few more of the orange flower picks. So you'll have to let me know, do you like it with all the flowers or do you like it with just the flowers on the left side? Thanks guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it.